Hi, I'm Peter Thomas from Beverly Vacuum Cleaner in Beverly, Massachusetts. I'm located at 414 Rental Street. My phone number is 978-927-8003, and you can catch me on the web at beverlyvacuum.com. This machine actually is made in Germany. It's amazing how many times people come in here or other vac stores and they're told that, oh, this is a German machine. No, it's not a German machine. It's not made in Germany. It's not manufactured in Germany. This is a powerful SEBO AIRBELT K3. You're not going to pay $50 for a HEPA filter every year because there is no HEPA filter. This is an S-class bag. It's hospital grade. It's perfect for your home. It's going to clean your home. Great motor, great guarantee. Come on down, see us, or give us a call. Bye.